Hi, I'm Ian Geddes from Camping and Caravanning magazine, and I've just completed a treat-off adventure with Go Ape at their new facility at Tilgate Park. Watch this next video to see how I got on and how I found these very useful. You do your safety training first with your feet firmly on the ground. Hold on tight. Each stage starts with a rope ladder and ends with a zip wire. Our Go Ape guide Joanna oversees stage 1 to make sure we've got the hang of all the kit. The challenges get progressively tougher and are a step up from stage 1. Go Ape, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Family time, they said. Bonding. Mime, it's hard work.